Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Ming step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Ming, name, famous. For example, 名称 name of a thing. 名称 the name of a thing. For example, the display name might be identical. 显示名称可以是相同的。The display name. Might be identical. 显示名称可以是相同的。显示名称可以显示名称可以是相同的。显示名称可以是相同的。The display name might be identical. 显示名称可以是相同的。名 in cursive. 名名 name famous 名称 name of a thing. The display name might be identical. 显示名称可以是相同的。名 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 名. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.